Hello friends, welcome there. I am Shubham Sapkale. Today I am coming here with a new and interesting topic, that is hacking commands and how we can use it. So watch the full entire video without any skip. So friends, first of all, I am telling you these commands are mostly used by the hackers to get into the system and grab the data. So it is maybe helpful to you for protecting your data and system. As we know, CMD is a powerful tool which let you do almost anything with your system and Windows, PC and laptops. There are the common commands in like a CD and MD etc, which you probably know, so we won't get into that. So before we begin sharing the best CMD commands for the hacking, let's see how to enable the net BIOS. So it helps you to work without any interruption and the network detection and the problem. First of all, open your connection. For that, how we can open it? So firstly, go to Windows, go to your setting, then network and internet. Then you can see this option, change adapter setting option. Then click on it. Then select the network whatever you want, right click, go to the property section, then select this IPv4, okay, internet protocol version TCP IPv4, okay, then go to the properties, okay, then go to the advanced setting, then go to the when section, then click here enable the net BIOS over TCP and IP, then click OK, then cancel from here, okay, you can see this is a cancel and then close. So friends, now back to the man local area connection window, select the file and print the sharing for the Microsoft network and hit enter if you want. This is a just show you have the net bio enabled and you are to be able to grab the system and hack the data. In the case you don't know how to get the CMD, by clicking the Windows icon at the left hand bottom of your screen in the all Windows version and click on the start. Press the run from the start, then type the CMD without. Okay, so this is a simple tip. By clicking the Windows plus R, then you got this the run, then type the CMD, then press enter. You can see our CMD is open. Then type here color A, COLOR color A. Color A, change the font color. Okay. So first of all, let's try our first command, that is a ping. Okay, this command will allow you to know if the host you are ping is alive or dead, which means if it is up at the time of executing the ping command. Okay, let's try how it works. So type ping and type your IP address. You can also try 8888 like that, 8.8.8.8. This is a random IP I type which belongs to the Google. Okay, then press enter. Okay, you can see this IP is now alive. Okay, you can see this is replying from the 888 8.8.8. These are the 32 bytes. It takes the 81 ms microsecond, ms means microsecond, ttl 111. Okay, these are the bytes you can see here, and this is the microsecond, 95 microsecond, 95 microsecond, 795 microsecond. These are the ping statistic for this 888, and you can see how much packets are sent. Here you can see the 4 packets are sent and the 4 packets are received to this system, and we don't lost any packets. So here is a 0% of lost, Approximate trip time is millisecond. You can also milliseconds is can be microsecond. Okay, if you don't know the IP address of the particular website, so what we can do at that time, so we have to type first our command, that is a ping. So what type of website means, what the name of that website we have to type here, that now I type the Google website, that is a www.google.com. Okay, now you can see this is also alive. You can see this is the IP of the Google, and this is the time in a how much millisecond microsecond it travel and it reply. Okay, this is the 104 ms, 242 millisecond, 86 microsecond. These are the ping statistic. Okay, this is the also round trip. You can see the minimum 66. These are the milliseconds and microseconds. Okay, and these are the packets from the Google. 4 packets are sent, 4 are received, and 0 are lost. You can see these are the 4 packets, and these are the reaching time and replying time, that is in the microsecond or millisecond. Okay, so these are the command of the ping, we can use it. Then our next command is nslookup. Okay, so first dollar we maximize our command prompt. Okay, now okay, then type here nslookup. This is the lookup. This is our command which is allow. This command has the many function. First all of this command has a many functionalities. One is resolving DNS into the IP. Let's say you know the website URL but you don't know the IP, but you want to find it out. So first of example, nslookup www.com. Let's try. Why we are using here www.com? Because you don't know the IP of the www.com. You don't know this website for which you want to find out the IP address. So first all of you have to go into the nslookup. So first all of you have to type nslookup nslookup. Then you have to type any website, any particular website that you have to find. Then I have to find Google website, that is a www.google.com. then press enter. Okay, you can see our server is unknown and this is our address. Okay, this is the my IP address. Then you can see here, this is to find your IP address or finding the particular website IP address. You can this is the my server, this is my server, and this is my PC IP address. Okay, and this is what, this is the www.google.com IP name, and this is the Google's IP address. Okay, so for that, then our next functionality is, this is a very nice function for the nslookup to find out the IP of the specific mail server. So for that, how we can find by nslookup? So first all of we have to type nslookup, then we have to press enter. You can see our address is here and service is unknown. Okay, so press enter here. Then after that type set type is equals to max, then press enter. Okay, this is the unknown, can't find the set max. Okay, I think yeah, here is, we have to type the space. Okay, this is the one. Okay, first of all I exit here and trying from the first nslookup look up, then I press enter. Okay, I got my IP and my server is unknown. Then I am going to type set space type is equals to mx, then I am pressing the enter. Okay, now I am in the set mx, set type mx system. Then type your website and address, whatever you want to search in it and find out from it. So okay, I want to find in yahoo.com. Okay, so I type here yahoo.com. Okay, you can see this unauthorized answer. These are the server of the, this is a mine server. Okay, you can see this is the yahoo.com answer. These are the mx preference 1 mail exchanger mda5.am0 yahoo dns.net. Okay, we can resolve this problem and we can resolve this DNS into the IP. Okay, this command will give you the mail server IP of yahoo.com. You can use whatever server you want to find. If you listed on, if it is listed on DNS, then you get the IP. Simple, yeah, isn't it? You can send the spoof email to your friends using the IP. Okay, address of the email server. You can also check out how to send the spoof email to your friends or anyone by clicking the website given in the description. Okay, so friends, our next one code is transert. Then for we are using now ns lookup. For this ns lookup we have exit. For this ns lookup we have to type exit here. Then we are going to the C system user and users into user. Okay, so first of all this is our tracet program. This command will give you the hopes that a packets will travel to reach at the final destination. This command is really helpful if you know the route of the packets text before it go to the target box. Okay, so how you can find it? So first of all we have to type tracert, TRACERT. Okay, so type your IP address if you know. So I know my IP address, so this is only for the example. I type my IP address 192.168.43.1. You can see this is our network and this is my the IP address that I type here. Check it and press enter. Okay, we are through this tracet IP. Okay, you can see these are the routing my IP. Okay, you can see our tracing route is, oh, this is my IP and this IP is trace, and we got the maximum 30 hops on my system, and this is done in the 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond and 1 millisecond. Okay, if you don't know your IP or your particular website IP, so you can search it by typing the website name. So I show you how it can be done. So you have to first type tracert dot, type your particular website what you want to find. So I want to find from the Google. Okay, so I'm going to find type the Google www.google.com. Then I'm pressing enter. What is it? www.google.com is the website. You don't know the IP of that. Okay, our system tracing the route of the www.google.com. You can see the IP address of the Google, and our system takes the maximum 30 hops and we got the response in the 1 millisecond. Okay, and 3 millisecond for the IP. Okay, then you got here IPv4. This is our IPv4 and this is our IPv6. You got the Google IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, then our fourth one command is ARP. So let's go towards it. This command will show you the ARP table. You can find out if anyone has done R poisoning in your LAN using this command. Okay, so first all of you have to close this command, then go to your Windows, type here cmd. Okay, then right click, run as administrator again, then S. Okay, you can see our command prompt is open once. So first all of you have to type here color color A, then you have to press enter. Our font color is changed. It What is the meaning of color A and why we are using this? The color A is the system command which mainly used by the hackers and grab into the system easily and butterly grab into the system. Okay, so we use the color A code for changing our system color. Okay, then we are going to the ARP section. This command will show you the ARP table. As I tell you, firstly you can find out that anyone has done ARP poisoning in your LAN using the command. Okay, you can find it out by the code ARP minus A. Okay, you got the code. Okay, this is our internet address, this is the physical address, and this is the time. Okay, these are the statistic. This is my 192.168.43.1, and this is our physical IP address which is done by this, and this is our dynamic interface, and we done this interface by this IP 192.168.43.42 by 0 into 2 seconds, means in 2 seconds. So you can see these are the poisoning our LAN. Using this command we can see our statics and dynamics using this code. If you want to learn more about the ARP, or if you have to interest in ARP, so firstly you have to type ARP and then press enter. You can see these are the many function related to the ARP. Okay, so we use this first, and now we are going to use this minus G, ARP minus G, ARP minus G, then press enter. You got this statistic once by our this IP. Okay, this what we use same, it is same as our first code, that is a ARP1. Okay, not any different. Okay, so I close and not close it. Okay, then our next command is ARP minus V. Okay, this is the ARP minus V. This is the physical transaction table used by the address resolution ARP. Okay, your ARPS, you can use this ARPS for the ETH address. Okay, this ARP minus V is used for what? Now we see ARP minus V is used for what? ARP minus V is display the current ARP entries in the verbose mode. All invalid entries on the loop back interface will be shown in this specific internet address. You can see all these are the specific internet, and this is our the specific internet address 192.143.92.4. This is our specific internet address. We got the old data and the physical address translations tables used by this IP address. What are the full form of the ARP? The full form of the ARP is address resolution protocol. Okay, so in the name you find the ARP. Okay, these are the example of the static entries, how to find the display ARP tables. Okay, we see it. Then our next command is the root. This is our fifth and the last best command is root. This command is used, and this command will show you the root table and the gateway interface and the matrix. Okay, so how we can find this? you know. If you don't know, see the video. Okay, so we have to find the root in the routing table, that is a gateway, interface and the matrix. How we can find it? By the root command. So first all of you have to type the code route root, then you have to type print print, then press enter. You got the all root table. You got its IPv4 root table, interface list, IPv6 table and process root. Okay, you can see these are our the active routes. These are the our network designation. These are our network mask. These are our gateways, on link on link on link. Okay, and these are our interface and these are our matrix. We got the all data here by using what? By using root print, by using root print command. Okay, so we got the all. So friend, let's consider and hope you understand all of them. And if you like my video, or if you have any queries related to this or any other programming commands or any other, please comment me in the comment section. I will surely make the video on this problem. Also tell me how is my video in a comment section, and also tell me what should be my next video. Okay friend, so in the I tell you that also in my the next video I will show you the 5 powerful commands for the hacking that used by the hackers. Okay, so for that, firstly you have to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and you have to hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.